Alright guys, output installation time. Part 2 of this video. Part 2 guys. So this is the original Mosfet guys that come from this one. And this one reads IXT888N30P. And then here it says Korea and some other number. When I'm both buying these, I ask them if it's original. They said yes. And I go through a lot of stuff with them for them to send me pictures. I told them I don't need to see picture from the HUDs first. They send me a picture from the HUD. I said the same thing. I said, look. Then I'll force them to send me another picture, which looks like this. And they are identical, guys. Identical, original Mosfets. So I was like, whoa, I was impressed. So couldn't believe it. So I'm going to go ahead and install them. So let me do something first before I do that, guys. Let me get some reading from this here. Alright, test one of these, see if I have one good one, or you never know. Maybe. Alright, I have one good one. Isn't that amazing? Alright, let's switch it on, switch it off. Come on. Alright. So, okay. There's this. And this. And this. Alright, I'm testing it, guys. Testing it. Why this one read like a dial? What did you connect here? Am I missing a wire here? Something not reading right. It reads like a dial for some strange reason. Oh, I think some of these does that for me. Hold on, guys. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, so this one give a reading like this, guys. So that other one was bad. Can't read like a dial. So this is 12, 0.5 ohms, guys. RDS 0.5 ohms. Go again. And the CG 12.5 NF and VT voltage, guys, that's 4.05 volts. That's not bad. That's definitely not bad. I could work with that. And I'm going to work with it. Alright guys, so let's install some output Mosfet, guys. And these one were installed like this. Let me see the measurement right here. I think that's good enough. So what I see over here on these, yep, definitely good enough. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Install output Mosfet, guys. Output Mosfet. Uh-oh, I saw all sweeping off that one. Thanks. I hope I don't have to go back and remove nothing. So 6 for each side, guys, or 12 in all. What's up? Output MOSFET, guys. 12 in all output MOSFET. Output MOSFET, guys. 12 in all output MOSFET. My daughter is calling me. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. I didn't see. Oh, man, I was out of focus a bit. Hold on, give me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, that was my daughter. Sorry, guys. I didn't see that I was out of focus just now. That's funny. That was my daughter calling me in the background, telling me some strangers at the door. Smarty. Damn. Alright, guys, so let me go and do the next side now, guys. So this side looks perfectly fine. Woo, whoa. This thing. And choose 6. That's all I need, 6 of them. Alright, so we put this piece of electrical tape here, guys. Alright, guys, looking good, looking really good, guys. So far so good. Alright, let's next one. Alright. This is the last one of the output MOSFET, guys. Right. Good, guys. So, thing looks nice. It's well uniform. Let me see, guys, if you can see the part on this guy. Let me see if I could give you guys a good on these MOSFETs. That's the best I can do, guys. Till I get something that can really focus the way I need it to. Alright, so look here. So this pin back here, guys. Straighten this out, guys. I'm gonna clip off those unwanted pin that's sticking out like crazy. Right. Alright, those are clip off and nice. Alright, go ahead with these now. That flow, it sound like, man, I'm gonna have to sweep up as soon as I'm finished. Definitely have to sweep up. Alright guys, that should be it for this. Alright, so looking good here so far, guys. Looking perfectly fine. Alright guys, what I want to say now is these are the Mosfet driver, guys. It's IC Mosfet driver for this amplifier. Yeah, these IC that drive the Mosfet. Yeah, I don't, maybe I replace them, maybe not. The way this amplifier go down, it didn't go down that bad, but we'll see what's up, guys. But for now, what I'm going to do, guys, going to do some more check around, making sure maybe I replace them, maybe not. I'll let you guys know. and then I'll do a bench test and you guys can see what's going on with this amplifier. But for now, guys, all the outputs are MOSFET are installed and all the power supply MOSFET, and there was no bad gate resistor. Yeah, none for the power supply part either. But I'm still going to check around, guys, because you never know, you know, something might be in the mix. Because I see some fusible resistor, like, guys, so I have to check these out. Like these one here inside here, guys, are the yellow, violet, gold. So yeah, tolerance gold. So yeah, definitely I'm check those out. But you know, power supply MOSFETs, you know, it's good. RSP 064 N, and then power supply MOSFET, guys. I mean the output MOSFET, guys. Output MOSFET is the IXTH88 N30P. Alright. So definitely, guys, see you on the bench test of this amplifier. Alright, cut out for now. Alright guys, Carter here, guys. So this was supposed to be a bench test of this amplifier, but no, not yet. I said it was gonna be a bench test next, but no. I wanna show you something, guys, that's been going on with this amplifier that I found out. Alright. These two driver IC, guys. At first I didn't replace them because I was like, oh yeah, everything is okay. So I installed the outputs. I just wanted to show you guys a mistake that you should never make. If you tell yourself you're going to replace these, just replace them and done. And give the amplifier a fresh new start. That's what, you know. But I was just like, you know, just seeing like, you know, say maybe they looks good, but because the MOSFET didn't go down that bad. But even this MOSFET here, it go down really bad, you know, it burned out because right here the gate resistor, which is a 4.7 ohm resistor, was bad. And I replaced it. So, alright. everything's up and running. So now guys, before this MOSFET blowout burnt up and this one burned up here, so the first one here and the first one here, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. You understand? You have high side and low side. So guys, so you have this one here, first of these three, and the first of these three burnt out. So guys, I replace them. Then I replace the driver IC, and then I said, all right, let me check around and check, you know, and stuff like that. So right here they have a 4.4R7 ohm resistor right here, guys, which is resistor. Let me tell you guys, this one is resistor. It says RD21, I think. Hold on, let me see, guys. Just quick, please, guys, let me make sure. So it's a RD21, yeah. This resistor here. I did go to this transistor here, this regulator transistor. So, and this transistor here mark DF, and at the bottom we mark RN. So I did replace this because this was burnt out. This resistor was burnt out, guys, and I didn't know. That's what blow these two MOSFET out. Alright, so I replaced that. Replace the driver IC, both of them. And these driver IC, guys, they are the IR2110S. IR2110S. Okay? Yes. I replaced both of them. Yes. Up and running. So now then I put back new MOSFET here, guys. Coil on, clip, amplifier come on perfectly fine, guys. Alright. So the amplifier come on perfectly fine. So I go to test the amplifier now, hook up the speaker wire down here and the stuff like that, you know, the speaker wire and stuff like that. Only to know the amplifier play for a couple seconds, then boop, it goes into protection mode, power supply chip out, because I have a little breaker fuse on it. Alright, so I said, wow, what the heck could that be? So I think it was, you know, reading one of these. This one was reading bad. Then I said, I read it gate. Alright, yeah, so I read it source and drain. No, I mean gate, drain, source. Drain and source, guys, I read it, you know. And it was short, you know, then I read it to gate and source, nothing. So I said, if it's bad, sometimes most of the time that would be short into, so it wasn't short in there. So I come over this side over here now, guys, and I start testing these, go down the line. And I come to this one right here, guys, right here. And this one was reading, you know, reading 0 ohms right around this one right here. So I replace it. I go to the driver board here, and I start to check around. So this DF, which is this transistor, let me put it back. It's a QD13. QD13 was shorting out from what I've been reading 7 from this side here. It's reading 7 ohms. So I was like, what is that? And that shouldn't be, you know. If I take it out of the circuit, read it, it's not reading 7 ohms. So I test the circuit itself, the circuit's reading 7 ohms. So I said, only thing can cause it should be this right there. The driver IC. So I replaced the driver IC. First, no, I took out the driver IC, test it, I didn't know I wasn't getting it. Driver IC was shorting out, guys. This driver IC was shorting out. So install the driver IC. So since I didn't install the driver IC, I didn't give it any tests as yet and anything like that. So, you know, I'll just letting you guys know. So because I don't want to hide nothing. I want you guys to see what, you know, everything I'm doing. So, you know, so you guys, if you have that problem, you know exactly what to do. So yeah, I replaced that. So right now I'm checking around to see if there's anything else, you know, wrong or anything else I miss, so that I, you know, I can correct it before I pour it up again. So that's just a little short video of what I'm going to do. So next time you see me, guys, definitely I will be doing a bench test. So this amplifier was definitely going into protection mode, guys, like crazy. This one, well, it wasn't coming on, and before those, yeah, it was going to protection mode. So all right, so guys, just a little heads up on that, I just figured I should show you, stuff. Yeah, I replaced that. And even here, guys, I replaced the. This is not the TL494. This is the SG 35 25. Let me see if I'm getting it right. Yes, SG 3525A. That's the IC right here, guys. SG 3525A. Yeah. So that's the IC there for that switching circuit. Yeah. So just letting you guys know and stuff like that. So definitely, guys, I didn't want to replace this. I don't know if the person like me doing this. I don't know. I like to replace the LED right here to a blue one, so it's more visible and stuff like that. But maybe I do, maybe I don't. Sometimes I like to keep stuff originally the way it is, just in case they have to sell it back, they don't say, oh, it was tampered and stuff like that. But yeah, this guy, so that's a little heads up, guys. Yeah, and I did replace this right here, guys, as I told you, R455. Yeah, R455 resistor, guys. Yeah, I did replace it. And this one reads yellow, violet, gold. Yes, guys. So yeah. Yep, guys. So see you soon, guys, on a little bench test of this amplifier. Okay, guys. So Carti and Cardi out for now, guys. Alright, enough respect. Okay, guys. Carti and Cardi here with you guys with this amplifier. So what I'm going to do, guys, I don't know if I can. Let's see if I can. Because this indicator light is not that bright, but I want to let you guys see that it's on. Well, you guys will hear anyway. So it's right here, the indicator light. So let me point on amplifier. Alright, guys, you guys heard that? You can see, you guys can hear that. My finger is touching the thing. So now, can you guys see? That's it. Right. No joke. Just letting the guys see it's up and running. No joke about this, guys. Alright, that's how we do it here in Florida. Alright. Alright, guys, so Mosfets are running pretty cool. Wow. Really cool, guys. These Mosfets are running, guys. Really cool. Surprised me, man. So, guys. So yes, as I showed in that video, guys, what I have to replace, guys. So you guys see what's going on and stuff like that. A bunch of these, from the new one to the old one. These are the gate MOSFET IC. These are the IR2110S. IR2110S, yeah. There's the driver MOSFET IC. Yes, for the output MOSFET, guys, yes. And as I say, guys, these output MOSFET guys are the IXTH88N30P. Okay, guys, output MOSFET IXTH88N30P. And the power supply MOSFET, guys, because recently I have the IRFP 064N, and those are running a little bit too, the temperature are high. And when I look at the diagram, yeah, they read up to like 0.2 ohms. But these that I have in read up really lower. So these are the IRFP 1405 for the power supply MOSFET. IRFP 1405 for the power supply MOSFET. And these cap here for the filter MOSFET for the output are 200 watt volts, guys, at 1500 UFR, 1500 microfarad. And the power supply capacitors, guys, are the, see if I find for you guys, 35 volts, 2200 microfarad. Okay, guys, 35 volts, 2200 microfarad. Yeah. And I said I did replace this IC here, which is the SG2525A. Yes. And these guys are the IR2110S. For the driver MOSFET, I replaced those. And I did replace for this side here, this resistor here, which is the RD21. RD21 is a 4.7 ohms. RD21 4.7 ohms. Okay, guys. Yes. So just let you know, guys, you don't know some of the stuff that I replace in this amplifier. Replace. Yeah. And yeah, that should be, guys, for now. So this amplifier is ready and good to go, you know. And I'll put it together and let the customer know, and then, you know, go from there. So you guys can ask me whenever the question, and I can, you know, get back to you guys as soon as possible. So as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. Everything is okay. It's not in protection mode, nothing it plays, and you know, it's up and running. Yes, guys, and this is the chassis for it. Yeah. Whew. Damn, this thing is heavy. This guy. This is the chassis, which is the Orion. And you see, yes, guys, this is it. And this is how it looks inside the chassis. Yep. Alright, guys, as you can see. Yep. And this is the faceplate of it. Yeah. And this way. And this way. Yeah. Yes, guys, it's up and running. It's playing perfectly fine, cool, nothing, you know, no issue with it. Oh yeah, still wondering if I should change that indicator light to blue, but nah, I'm gonna ask the customer first and see, you know. I don't think it would be a problem, but yeah, definitely I'm gonna change it to blue. Definitely going to change it to blue. To it more visible for him. Alright, guys, so yeah. So yeah, guys, this amplifier is up and running. As I said, output MOSFET IXTH88N30P. So this is 88 amp at 300 volts. These MOSFET here, guys. And these one here, I don't remember. This is our 90 something amp. I don't know. I think it's like 90 something about 200 something volts or 200 volts. Not quite remember. But these are the IRFP 1405. You guys can look it up. So yeah. So yes, guys. So that's it for this repair. And you know, Cardi guys out for now. So any question guys, please feel free to ask me guys. I answer as quick as I can whenever I get the time guys. My situation. I explain to you guys the numbers, okay then, or I don't do this full time. I used to do it full time back in Jamaica, but yeah, since here, yeah, I'm trying. So I'm taking slowly, coming over to this side of it because it pays a lot. But you have to make time for it, which I don't really have with my job that I have. So but we'll get there one day. So just letting you guys know. That's it for now. So cardio out for now. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and anything you ask me guys, I'll let you know, about this amplifier and stuff like that. I'm just letting you know these preamp is in IC is a 072D right there. And this one right here guys, let me give you an update on this right here. So this one is the LM393. This is the LM393 right here. And 072D right here. And all these are 072, go right here. And right up here, you have the UC34 3B. This is this IC. I don't know exactly what it's for, but it says UC38 43 B. Okay, yeah. And this transistor right here, since a voltage regulator, says IRFB C30. IRFB C30. Just let you guys know, what these stuff says. So if you have an amplifier and the number doesn't matches, and this cap right here says this was a 33 microfarad guys at 250 volts. Yeah. But yes guys, that's about it. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and cardio out for now guys. Enough respect. Appreciate you guys watching my video. So please like guys, help me to reach 1,000 votes, and so I can show you more stuff. Even if I'm still gonna show you stuff guys. That's just me. Alright? Please like, subscribe if you like what I see, and as I said, enough respect. No respect.